Good morning to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary standing before you to speak on the very special occasion of Republic Day, and which is also a proud moment for all of us. What is freedom? Freedom is the power to live as one wishes. Before independence, India was in bondage. It was a part of the British Empire, but by the end of 1947, India had achieved independence and British rule came to an end. And now, India is the only blessed country in the world having maximum diversity and variety based on religion, caste, custom, culture, language, tradition, and heritage, which is like having different flowers in a garden. Today is 26th of January, the day of celebration for all the Indians. This day is the celebration of unity, freedom, and pride. My dear friends, the credit of this celebration goes to those freedom fighters and thousands of people who sacrificed their life in India's freedom struggle. For over 200 years, India was ruled by the British. And after a long struggle, India became free on August 14, 1947. But the freedom was not complete. Then a drafting committee was appointed for drafting the Constitution of India with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the chairman. It took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days in completing of drafting the Constitution for independent India. The Constitution was adopted by the Indian Constitution Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on January 26, 1950. India was declared as a Republic Democratic Nation and Dr. Rajendra Prasad as the first President of India was elected. And since then, 26th January is celebrated to commemorate the Indian Constitution. We feel proud on Indian Constitution. It is one of the world's best written constitution. Yes, we feel so proud to be a part of this great nation. And we should fulfill our duties and responsibilities towards our nation. All people are equally responsible for growth and development of the country. Everyone should be aware of their fundamental duties and follow them without ignoring them. Being good and responsible citizens of the country, everyone should perform their duties faithfully. My dear friends, India had fought hard to earn freedom. Celebrate the freedom and never let go of it, and always carry it in your heart. Jai Hind, and once again a very happy Republic Day. Thank you.